This is the OCEANBROAD 90.5-inch kayak paddle. You can use this for any other type of paddling, but we use them for our kayaks. We have these in blue and orange. Got the orange ones here. Come in 3 sizes, 86 inches, 90.5 inches, and 95 inches. So just check and see which size fits you, depending on your height or who will be using them. This design does come in 2 pieces, so when you're not using them, you can fold in half and easily store it, especially when you get a 90.5-inch long one. That's quite long. The paddles are 6.5 inches wide and 18 inches long. They got this groove in the middle here. See this one here, and the one on the other side. Little stopper on the end here so you can rest your hand up against it on both sides, and a nice piece of rubber across the metal shaft so you can put your hands on here and have a good grip when you're kayaking. You can just slot these together, push this button down, and they've locked in place. If you don't want the paddles to be straight, you can also press this button down and turn them a little bit so they're offset one way, or you can have them offset the other way, depending on how you like to roll or what your setup is. To take them apart, you just press this button down and pull them apart, and now your paddle is in half. Really like these paddles. We use them all the time when we go out kayaking. I have the orange set and my wife has the blue set, but really like these paddles. Really light, easy to use, easy to assemble and store because they break down into halves. If you're looking for a new paddle to get for your kayak or canoe, I'd recommend you get these OCEANBROAD paddles here. Just make sure you get the right size depending on how tall you are.